and I'm here live and direct at the Elegant Empire to make things happen, and it's going to happen. We are ready to take the music industry to the next level. My name is 𝘎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣, but for the sake of people who don't actually know me before, so I will pull up my glasses for people to see the fine face. I'm some Bobo. Yeah, so this is me, the Spirit of God. A new face in the industry, but I'm not new to some people because I've been in the industry for a while. Formerly, my musical name is 𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣. I know a lot of people know that. That name will ring the bell to some people here because I've been doing music for a long time and I've worked with a lot of people. So this is me, but a lot of things has changed. My name has changed, my personality has changed, my goal has changed. So this is the Spirit now, so watch out. To bring new thing into the music industry worldwide, to change the orientation and the face of the music industry positively, to drive people from Broadway to Narrowway through my music, and that is the goal. I will say, in life everybody has a purpose, and if you are operating outside your purpose, then you are not living, you are just existing. What am I saying in essence is that you cannot put a new wine in old bottle. This is a new me. This is a new person, a new talent, a new focus, a new mission, and a new direction. So this is the Spirit now, not 𝙎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣. I'm bringing something new. I'm bringing salvation, love, righteousness into the music. That's what I'm bringing. That is the goal. I want everybody, the whole world, to anticipate and watch out for this EP, Holy Hip Hop, because it's going to change a lot of things, and it's a new thing, something extraordinary, because it's real, it's raw, because I talk about a reality about myself, life, and everything you could ever imagine. In life, every man is a preacher. But what are you preaching? What are you bringing to the society? What are you preaching? Are you affecting people negatively or positively? You need to ask yourself that question. So this EP is going to, affect people positively. I can assure you that. Thank you. Love.